how to find all posts notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, and now go to these three lines and then click settings, and now click notifications and scroll all the way down until you find here posts. Here's it, and here you can manage it. Just manage anything you want here, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.